This is Series 1, Episode 55. I'm going to be talking about World Wrestling Entertainment Inc., ticker symbol WWE. I'm starting here with the 5-year chart so you can see the historical sell-off. Used to be at $100 and then a huge sell-off, and we're around $56 now. Now, with the lockdown coming to an end, hopefully around the world, people obviously want to get out, spend their money, look at entertainment, boxing, wrestling, hockey, etc. So that's one reason I think this could be a good stock, but that's not the reason I'm going to be talking about it. I'm purely talking about the price action and the technicals. So let me show you what I'm seeing. If I go down to the 6-month chart, the first thing, and I talk about this in all my videos, or almost all of them, the basing pattern. Look at the base formed and a handle, cup and handle they call that. I call it a saucepan because I quite like the look of, I think it looks like a saucepan, but the official name is cup and handle. And the way it works is if price breaks the high of the handle, that's often a good sign that the stock is about to break out. Well, look at this spike. That spike there, institutional buyers tried to push through and it came back down. It's since started consolidating a little bit lower. But the interesting thing, the reason I'm interested in this stock is because of this volume. We broke out of that pattern on volume. Very important. Because that verifies the fact that it's not just me seeing this, this is institutional buying there. Okay, so hopefully that's making some sense to you. And let me clear this up a bit. Next thing I see, I don't normally draw my flags like this, but this is definitely a flag formation. I will draw it in for you. An angled flag. There's the flag, and then this is the pole. And then price is consolidated within the flag. Of course it broke out, tried to break out there, failed, and has come back into the flag. So there's the flag formation, cup and handle. It's all looking really, really nice technically. So hopefully that started to make some sense to you. I cleared that up, and I also like the fact that I can use this area support along here to get my stop loss close. So there's support, and as you can see, as price got lower, it stopped on roughly on that support, and then it's come back up. So I am in this stock, and I like the look of it. I might be in a little bit premature, to be honest, but it's what it is. I like the look of it. I can see professionals jumping into this stock, so I'm going to, trade what I see. So here's a trade idea I'm about to announce. As I always say, if you decide to take the trade based on the information I'm about to provide, that is entirely up to you. This is my own trading. I'm announcing this trade for my own use and to help people if they want to trade following that information. That's entirely up to you. So my trade idea is this. I want to see, well, not me, I'm already in the trade, but I would like ideally to see a price of lower than 56 if you wanted to get in, and my stop's really close on this one. This is the stop here at 52, so that's a drop of 6% from its current level. And let me just do this a second. So stop loss there, take profit there, so it's double. 6% risk, 12% reward. That's what trading is all about. Let me get that back up on the screen. There you go. There's the trade plan. That 6%, like I said, 6% drop would be your stop loss, and take profit 12%, doubling your money. I must admit it's a little bit risky, that stop loss, and ideally I'd like to have it a bit further away, but I want to minimize my risk on this. So there's a trade, guys. If you like what I'm doing here, please like and subscribe, and I'll do another video as soon as I see another setup. I wish you the best of luck.